one is 90% and the other one showing 98%. Hello everyone, before your PC crashes and you lose all your data, watch this video. I will show you how to check your SSD card health using this free software. So further ado, let's get started. First, open up any of your browser and search here Crystal Disk Info. Now click on the search option. As you can see, Crystal D World, open up this site. Now this site is a little bit complicated. Now scroll down and you can see several edition is here. Just click on the download option, and as you can see, the standard edition, the Shizuku edition, and the Kurei edition. So we will go with the standard edition. Scroll up and select the installer option from here. Now wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's popping as the download option for us. Just click on the start download option and it's already done. Now we can open directly from here. Install this like any other applications. Now uncheck the visit our website and click on the launch CrystalDiskInfo. Click on finish. I'm closing this site. And as you can see, CrystalDiskInfo, and it's showing our SSD card health is on 90% and the temperature is 45%. I have two installed SSD on my computer. One is 90% and the other one showing 98%. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.